Stop scrolling for 5 seconds. What if your best moment is not just happy, but also hard and fun at the same time? Today, we will teach you how to talk about your best moment in English, even if it was stressful, emotional, or challenging.
And you will learn simple phrases you can use in real life, not textbook English.
Hello and welcome back to Anta English.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Anta. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video.
And I'm David. We are here to help you practice English. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please. Today we are going to talk about something very meaningful.
That's right. Our topic today is how to talk about your best moment and why it can be hard and fun.
Many people think a best moment is only happy.
But sometimes the best moment is also difficult, scary, or tiring.
And that is normal. Real-life moments are mixed.
Anta, how are you today?
I'm doing well. I feel calm today. How about you?
I'm good, but I was thinking about my best moment recently.
Oh, interesting. Was it a happy moment?
Yes, but it was also hard.
Perfect topic for today.
Before we start, did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yes. I cleaned my room and I felt proud after.
Proud means you feel good about something you did.
Exactly. How about you?
I visited my family and helped my dad fix something at home.
That sounds like a good weekend. Helping family can be a best moment too. Let's begin with a simple question. David, what was your best moment recently?
My best moment was when I gave a small speech in English at work.
Wow, that is a big moment.
Yes, I was excited, but also nervous.
Nervous means you feel worried and your body feels a little shaky.
Yes, my hands were cold.
Tell us a story. What happened?
Okay, my manager asked me to share an update in a meeting.
An update means new information, like progress.
Yes, I prepared at home. I practiced many times.
That already sounds hard.
It was hard because I wanted to sound clear and professional.
Professional means suitable for work, not too casual.
Exactly. Then the meeting started, and suddenly I forgot one sentence.
Oh no,
For 1 second, my brain stopped.
that happens to everyone.
Then I used a simple trick. I smiled and I said, "Let me explain it another way."
Great phrase. Let me explain it another way. That is very useful.
Yes, it gave me time. It helped me breathe.
And then?
Then I continued. I spoke slowly. I used simpler words.
That is a great tip for English learners. When you feel nervous, use simpler words.
Yes, I also used a phrase like, "in short."
In short means you will say the main idea quickly.
Exactly. After that, it became fun.
Fun! In a work meeting?
Yes, because I realized I could do it. I didn't quit. I continued.
Continue means keep going.
Yes. And when I finished, people nodded.
Nodded means they moved their head like yes.
Yes. And my manager said, "Good job."
That must feel amazing.
It did. It was my best moment because I faced fear and I won.
Faced fear means you did it, even though you were scared.
Yes. And I felt proud all day.
This is a perfect example. A best moment can be hard and fun.
Hard because you feel pressure.
Fun because you grow and you feel proud.
Also, fun because you learn something new.
Exactly. Learning is fun when you see progress. Now, let's help our viewers tell their own best moment story.
Yes. Many learners say, "I don't know what to say."
So, we will make it easy with a simple structure. Step 1. Say what happened.
Step 2. Say why it was hard.
Step 3. Say what helped you.
Step 4. Say why it was fun or meaningful.
Step 5. Say how you felt after.
Let's try again with my story using the steps.
Go ahead.
Step 1. My best moment was giving a short speech in English at work. Step 2. It was hard because I was nervous and I forgot one sentence. Step 3. What helped me was smiling, breathing, and using simple words. Step 4. It was fun because I felt brave and I improved my English. Step 5. After that, I felt proud and relieved.
Perfect. Viewers, you can copy this structure. Now, comment practice time.
Yes, please practice with us.
Tell us one best moment from your life.
And tell us why it was hard and why it was fun.
You can write short sentences.
For example, my best moment was my first job interview. It was hard because I was nervous. It was fun because I learned a lot.
Simple and perfect.
And don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
David, can we give more examples for different people?
Yes, that helps a lot.
Okay, example 1. A best moment at school.
My best moment was passing a difficult exam.
It was hard because I studied for many nights.
It was fun because I felt free after. And I celebrated with friends.
Celebrate means do something special for a good event.
Example 2. A best moment in travel.
My best moment was traveling alone for the first time. It was hard because I got lost, and I felt stressed.
It was fun because I met new people. And I learned to solve problems.
Solve problems means find solutions.
Example 3. A best moment in sports.
My best moment was running my first 5K race.
It was hard because my legs hurt and I wanted to stop.
It was fun because the crowd cheered, and I finished.
Cheered means people shouted to support you, like, you can do it.
Example 4. A best moment in family life.
My best moment was cooking dinner for my parents.
It was hard because I was afraid I would burn the food.
It was fun because my parents smiled and said it was delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
Anta, what about you? What is your best moment that was hard and fun?
My best moment was when I learned to drive.
Oh, that is a classic.
Yes. It was hard because I was scared of traffic.
Traffic means many cars on the road.
Right? At first I drove very slowly.
Slow is safe.
Yes, but I also felt embarrassed.
Embarrassed means you feel a little ashamed, like people might judge you.
Exactly. I remember one day, a car behind me honked.
Honked means the car made a loud horn sound.
Yes, and I felt my face get hot.
But you didn't stop, right?
No, I kept going. Then it became fun because I felt free.
Free like you can go anywhere.
Yes, the first time I drove alone, I played music and I smiled.
That sounds like a movie scene.
It did. And after a few weeks, I felt confident.
Confident means you believe you can do it.
Exactly. Driving became normal, but the first time was special.
I like this topic because it's honest.
Yes, people often show only the perfect part.
But the hard part is real.
And the hard part makes the moment stronger. Now, let's teach some key phrases for best moments that are hard and fun.
Yes, phrases are very important.
Phrase 1. It was challenging, but worth it.
Challenging means difficult, in an interesting way.
Worth it means the result is good, so the effort is okay.
Example. My best moment was my first speech. It was challenging, but worth it.
Phrase 2. I stepped out of my comfort zone.
Comfort zone means a safe place where you feel relaxed.
Step out means you do something new and scary.
Example. I stepped out of my comfort zone and I felt proud.
Phrase 3. I almost gave up, but I didn't.
Give up means stop trying.
This phrase is very powerful.
Example. I almost gave up during my race, but I didn't.
Phrase 4. I learned a lot about myself.
Example. I learned I can stay calm under pressure.
Under pressure means when you feel stress and time limits. Phrase 5. It was stressful, but exciting.
Stressful means it gives you stress.
Exciting means it gives you energy and strong feelings.
Example. My first trip alone was stressful but exciting.
Phrase 6. I was proud of myself.
Proud of myself means you feel good about your own effort.
Example. After the presentation, I was proud of myself.
Now let's practice together, viewers. Repeat after us.
My best moment was when
It was hard because
What helped me was
but it was fun because
After that, I felt
great job.
Now, a little game.
Yes, a quick game called Hard or Fun, Best Moment Edition.
I like it. Situation 1. You did something for the first time, like a presentation.
Hard.
Helpful sentence. I was nervous, but I prepared.
Prepared means you got ready.
Situation 2. People clapped for you.
Fun.
Helpful sentence. I felt proud and thankful.
Thankful means grateful.
Situation 3. You failed once, then tried again.
Hard and fun.
Exactly. Helpful sentence. I didn't give up, and I improved.
Improve means get better.
Situation 4. You traveled alone.
Hard and fun.
Helpful sentence. It was scary at first, but I enjoyed it.
Enjoy means you like it and feel good.
Situation 5. You worked hard for months, then you finally succeeded.
Hard and fun.
Helpful sentence. It took time, but I made it.
I made it means I succeeded. That is a great phrase.
Viewers, you can play this game too.
Write one best moment situation and tell us if it was hard, fun, or both.
And if you want, write one sentence using our phrases.
Now, vocabulary time.
Yes, 5 key words for today.
Let's do it.
Word 1. Best moment.
Best moment means the most special time you remember.
Example. My best moment was my first trip abroad. Word 2. Challenging.
Challenging means difficult, but it helps you grow.
Example. Learning English is challenging, but exciting. Word 3. Worth it.
Worth it means the good result is bigger than the effort.
Example. Waking up early was worth it because I saw the sunrise. Word 4. Relieved.
Relieved means stress is gone and you feel lighter.
Example. After the exam, I felt relieved. Word 5. Proud.
Proud means you feel good about what you did.
Example. I felt proud after my presentation.
Let me use all 5 in one story again, but longer. My best moment was my first English speech at work. It was challenging because I was afraid of making mistakes, but it was worth it because I finished it and people understood me. When it ended, I felt relieved and I felt proud of myself.
Very natural. Great job. Now, let's talk about one more important thing.
What is it?
Sometimes people don't know if a moment is the best moment.
True.
Sometimes the best moment looks small.
Yes, like a quiet moment.
Exactly. The best moment is not always big.
It can be a moment when you finally feel calm.
Or when you forgive someone.
Forgive means you stop being angry and you let it go.
Yes. That can be hard and also peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and quiet inside.
That is another good word.
Anta, can we give a small best moment example too?
Great idea.
My best moment was when I spoke English with a stranger at a coffee shop.
It was hard because I was shy and I didn't know what to say.
But it was fun because the person smiled and we had a short conversation.
Conversation means a talk between people.
After that, I felt brave.
Brave means you do something even if you are scared. Viewers, this is important.
Yes.
Your best moment can be small, but it can still change you.
And when you tell the story in English, you practice English in a real way.
That's why storytelling is so powerful for learning. Now, let's do a mini speaking challenge.
Yes, a challenge for viewers.
Challenge 1. Say your best moment in one sentence.
Example. My best moment was my first day at a new job.
Challenge 2. Add one hard reason.
It was hard because I was nervous and everything was new.
Challenge 3. Add one fun reason.
It was fun because I met new people.
Challenge 4. Add feeling after.
After that, I felt proud and excited.
Excited means happy and full of energy.
If you can write these 4 lines in the comments, you are doing amazing.
Yes, even 2 lines is great.
Practice is practice.
Now, let's summarize today's lesson.
Yes.
Today we learned how to talk about your best moment in English.
We learned that a best moment can be hard and fun at the same time.
We practiced a simple structure. What happened? Why it was hard? What helped you? Why it was fun? And how you felt after.
We learned key phrases like challenging but worth it, stepping out of your comfort zone, and I almost gave up, but I didn't.
And you practiced a game, vocabulary, and a speaking challenge.
Now it's our favorite part.
The question of the day. Today's question is, what was your best moment and why was it hard and fun?
Please write your answer in the comments.
You can keep it simple.
For example, my best moment was learning to drive. It was hard because I was scared. It was fun because I felt free.
Thank you for spending your time with us on Anta English.
If this episode helped you, please like and subscribe.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep collecting best moments.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you next time on Anta English.